am back with another video, and today it's nice out. It's spring. See that tree back there? Kind of right over there. It's even blooming. It's pretty nice out today. And we're gonna go pick out some ramps. And we're gonna do a little bit fishing, just a little bit. But first, we have to wait for Mike.
What up, G Money?
Guys, we have arrived. This is it. Ramp City. Holy crap. These are all ramps, except for those big ones. Those are what we like to call skunk cabbage. It's nasty. You can't eat that.
Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
Now, I
got a shovel.
all right. So kind of.
You dug a big hole there for one ramp.
Oh, plus you gotta watch where you step so you don't walk all over the ramps. And I'm gonna need that shovel. There's some, hey, what's this? There's some yellow sprouting from it.
Okay, let's get over here where these
Springwood?
bigger ones. Clear the leaves away. Dig down like that.
Oh yeah. Got yourself a few ramps right here.
Yeah.
That's what we like to call a ramp. See it?
How is it?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Flavorful.
Tastes like garlic.
Well, they're onions, basically. No, they are onions. You can cook the green part. It's really good. But
I like the greens.
what I usually like to... Is this just a big freaking shovel?
Yeah.
Can you hold the camera?
Yep.
What you want to do? You want to find a big one like that right there. Or this right here that I accidentally...
That's skunk cabbage.
Oh, never mind.
Ah, what are you doing? Like, look over here, like these clumps.
Yeah, these are the dark green.
See how you get these? See how you get these clumps to like have?
Yeah, if they have purple right there, then that's how you know they're ramps.
Don't go. Yeah, stay back a little bit.
I know how to use a shovel. All right. Okay. I'm breaking the root. There we go.
Now shake them.
Shake it. Can't really see it right now, but they're really good.
Make a pile there. I'm gonna, so just start digging right around in there. I'm gonna grab a bag, okay?
Okay.
I kind of got the camera on you there.
Alrighty, here we are on the ramps. They're nice. Alright, we got another cluster here. Got it. Alrighty. So you can actually use ramps for a whole lot of things. You can like put it like as a side. You know what I mean?
Getting them?
Yeah, I got it. Here we are, but they're not big yet.
Yeah, they've been out about, I don't know. This warm weather, they really grew, because when we were fishing, what was that, last week, there was none.
Yeah.
They'll be good with our meatloaf today.
Is this why you're coming out here? Look at.
Oh, I just wanted to do a video.
There we are. Another one more stuff on them now.
Just set it down there.
Oh, here's a good spot right here.
Yeah.
Or here. I'll just go for this one. I'm gonna take all that out.
Yep, always push the leaves out from the side so you can see where the...
Start.
Yeah, you want to see where...
Crap. Okay, I think in this situation my hands are gonna be better. Oh yeah, I ripped it right out from the root. Beautiful. You lost all your ramps.
Now I have them over here.
Oh. Why are you putting them there?
I didn't put them in the bag yet. I just
Carrying them around?
cleaning them.
Oh, here we are.
Here, see, I just take and I cut the... I like to cut the
Root.
root, because these things will... They, you know, it helps.
Oh, I did get those out. Oh, I thought I just threw them. What?
Bugs in there.
Look at this big one right here.
Jeez.
I know.
Huh.
Root. Take all that.
Okay, let me take a big scoop here. Want to film me? See the nice leaves on these ones. That's skunk habitat anyway.
Oh, yeah, Mike.
That's nice. Look at that one. Oh no, that's a flower. Jeez. Good thing I didn't pull that out and eat it, huh? Sometimes you can just go down in like that, and if the soil's wet, pull them up. Oh, they broke. Doesn't take you long to get a nice collection. And we just take our knife.
Here's the camera.
You know you're still on. Oh no.
There you go, Mike.
Let's set them right here on this pile.
Here?
Yep.
Well, dang, we already have a lot. There's a lot more in this place. What the heck are these? Spring lilies?
I don't know.
Make sure it's not. Yeah, it's around. There we are. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a deep one. There's a root.
You know you can actually transplant these. That's how we got them growing up around our house. Remember the patch you used to go to on your four-wheeler and pick?
Yeah.
They actually come from people taking them and taking them someplace and cleaning them. Okay, buddy, I think you're good there. We got enough for today's meal. The nice thing is this spot's only a couple minutes from the house, so get that bag of them.
We can't go now.
We'll try to catch a fish, and then we'll get back to the house and cook them greens up. Sound good?
One last thing. If you're ever fishing and there are ramps on the bank, take your ramp, dip it in the water, wash it off, eat it.
Yeah, coming from a guy that's picky about eating, he will definitely do that.
I do.
Okay, boys, you want to go back to warp speed there, and then we'll
Warp speed.
go see if we can catch a fish.
Let's do it.